For a great portable drone, we want good video, photos, portability and price. But is the DJI MINI 2 still capable of that? Does it still tick those boxes in 2022? Welcome to the video, guys. So today is all about the DJI MINI 2. Now this drone is really tiny and lightweight. 240 grams, enables you to put ND filters on here, no problem. So always use these, the #1 accessory you can get, freewheel filters. So we'll talk about them throughout the video. But the MINI 2, I think in 2022, is still fantastic, and I'm going to go through a reason why this came to light on a recent trip out we did, and why this is the portable and best drone you can pick up. So often when you're out with the family or maybe for a walk, Sunday flyers or just Sunday walkers in general, just think about that time you went out on a Sunday, maybe exploring somewhere new. And I'm sure a lot of us all love doing this, going out for a walk and exploring the countryside and new areas. But I often see so many people in these areas taking photos and videos on their phones, but not having any aerial photography or video. And this is where the MINI 2 is an absolute game changer. So aside from walking massive amounts of steps, once you get to the top of these, you're giving fantastic views. But then with the MINI 2, we can then transform them views to get fantastic aerial videography, something which most other members of the public cannot do, but at a decent cheap price. For £419, this is simply unmatched still in 2022. Enable fantastic video like this. With that ND filter, we can go from one location to the next, taking off and landing multiple times. Like on this one, we've gone from one area to the next, and now we can take off again and get more video, all on one battery. This is why it's such a portable, fantastic drone. Today, all I had was one phone and one drone, and able to capture a fantastic memory, all from these two devices. And this is why for beginners or for experienced pilots, it's just perfect. It's not a hassle to carry around with you. I can just put it back in my pocket, go down some more steps, find another location, get the drone out again, and film and capture video. And because it's so small, it can be with you in your pocket all the time. You're not lugging around a big bag. I'm sure the quality is not going to be perfect like a Mavic 3, but you can have this with you all the time. Now, I didn't take anything, just a drone, the controller and my phone, and it's absolutely outstanding. And I've even got 64% battery left. So in this location now, using the same drone, same battery, I can now fly around this. Absolutely spectacular. So picking this drone up in 2022 is still a fantastic option, and I highly recommend it. We don't know when that MINI 3 will be here. It could be April, could be November, could be not at all. Nobody knows. So live for the moment. And right now, this is still a fantastic drone with some great prices on this. Easy to use, and I've still got battery left, so I can capture some more video. But I hope you found this helpful. If anyone's considering picking up a DJI MINI 2, don't think about it for too long. Just go and capture spectacular video.